Hello class 7. Today I am going to start a new chapter from English grammar, and this chapter I am going to explain first, and after that I will be doing some exercises. So take out your English grammar copy and pen and be ready for the class. So you can see I have written on the board modals. So what is this modal? The modal is actually a form of verb. Okay, so you can say the verbs generally what we are writing like can, okay, could, may, might, then would, will, shall, this and so on. These are actually called modal verbs. Okay. Now, how these modal verbs are used and where we should put the that means the proper modal verb, that we are going to learn. So, first of all, that you can see this modals, that means it is a form of verb, and suppose like can, could, may, might, would, will, shall, then must, ought to, these all are modal verbs. Now they are used before ordinary verbs. Suppose like if I say I can draw. Here you can see that there are two verbs. Number one, that is a modal verb, and this is the main verb. So these modal verbs generally are used to sit before the main verb. So it is the main verb, you can see it is the main verb, and modal verb is sitting just before the main verb. Okay, it cannot sit without a verb, it cannot sit without the main verb. So modal always we will use before the main verb. Okay, or in a sentence if we write a modal verb, if you put a modal verb, there should be another verb also, and that verb should be called main verb. Suppose like with the help of may, if I say that may I come in, may I come in. Okay, so I have to put a question mark. You can see here two verbs are there, may and come, but here we can notice come is the main verb. Okay, come is the main verb and may is used as modal verb. Okay, so without a verb, that means without a proper verb, without a without a main verb, modal cannot be used. Modal cannot sit alone in a sentence. So where we can use this modal verbs, generally we express the meaning. Suppose like when we are taking permission, when we are expressing our possibility or certainty, necessity, so that time we use these kinds of modal verbs. Suppose here I have written may I come in. So may I come in, when we are saying this, when we are just asking the permission, when we are asking the permission, that time we are saying may I come in. We are using this modal verbs. Okay, so this modal verbs, again I want to tell that two things you have to maintain, you don't have to forget. Number one, that is modal verbs cannot be cannot sit without a main verb, and number two, that is generally in that means modal verbs we are using when we are expressing that our necessity, when we are taking permission, when we are having some possibility or something like. Okay, so these are the modals. Modals are also there, we will discuss further, just to make you understand that what are the modals and what are the uses of the modal. Now students, here in the book, if you just take out your grammar book and turn to page number 73, you will be getting this chapter modals. Okay, so what I was telling, that these commonly used modals just like can, could, may, might, would, will, shall, and there are others also, ought to and need and dare. Okay, sometimes ought to, this is also a modal. Sometimes need and dare, these verbs also can be used as modal verbs. Now here we can see number B, that modals are used to suggest generally when we are using these modal verbs. We are using these modal verbs when we take the permission, or there is some possibility, or something like when we are promising, or when we are making request, or some when we are actually showing the prohibition, okay, or ability or something like that. There are so many things are there. Modals, this the first thing, that is the modals cannot be sit alone. Modals have to be sit just beside the main verb. Another thing, that when suppose when we are modals, these modals do not change form with the person and numbers of the subject. Suppose like if I say she can drive a car. Okay, if I don't write this modals, so we should write she drives a car. When we are using can, so it is also a verb, modal verb though, but it is also a verb. We are not writing s or es as it is simple present tense, because whenever we are writing whatever may be the that means the tense, we should always write the first form, that means the proper form of the modal. Okay, so we should always write can. So she can, we write she can drive, sorry, she can drive a car. Okay, now if I say that when we are taking permission, okay, when we are taking permission means what? Suppose if a student comes to a class, okay, if a student comes to a class, so what the student will ask? May I come in, ma'am? So here we are using may, can and could in when we are asking the permission. When we are asking the permission, we should use this kind of modals, may, can, could. Suppose like if I write, just see, if I write, can I use your book, your pen? Okay, then put a question mark. Ma, can I use your pen? First you see, in this sentence two verbs are there. This is the modal verb and this one is the main verb. Okay, so can I use your pen? When I am asking with this sentence, so I am just asking a permission. So I have told when we are taking permission, we should ask with these modals can, could and may. Okay. Second, suppose like if I write, may I come in? One thing I must say, that when we are using may, suppose a student is coming to the class. So student is what to say, that student is when a student is asking to his or her teacher, so his or her teacher is superior to the student. So when we are asking a question, when we are taking the permission to our superior one, that time we use this may. Suppose if I am entering into my into the cabin of my boss, so I should ask that may I come in, ma'am, or may I come in, sir, because that time we should use may. Clear? And can, we can ask, generally we are using every time, but can, it is a grammatical that means procedure, that when we are asking, suppose like when we are taking permission from our friend, okay, when suppose you are asking a pen from your friend, so that time you can ask with can verb. Clear?